Your job isn't the only way you can make money. The cash stream from sources of passive income requires some upfront work, but once established, takes little to no time to maintain. While it can take some time to see the fruits of your labor pay off with passive income, earning money without regular work is possible. Some common ways to earn passive income include investing and starting a business that can mostly run itself. 1. Real estate investing. Earning regular rental income means you'll need to purchase, prepare, and manage a property. Whether you're renting it out for short or long-term purposes, once established, can provide you with a predictable income source. If you're interested in real estate investing but don't want to manage a property yourself, a platform like Realty Mogul may be worth considering. Realty Mogul is a real estate investment platform that allows individuals to invest in commercial real estate properties with as little as $5,000. Through the platform, investors can access a range of real estate investments, including rental properties, commercial buildings, and development projects. By investing in a diversified portfolio of properties through a platform like Realty Mogul, you can potentially earn rental income without the hassle of managing a property yourself. 2. Invest in art or alternative investments. Investing some upfront cash can get you passive income since you won't have to do much other than watch your investment value go up and down. Aside from securities such as stocks and bonds, consider alternative investments including physical metals and even fine art. Don't think you have enough money to invest in fine art? Platforms such as Masterworks allow you to buy shares representing an investment in the artwork. Think Warhol and Banksy. You can vet the pieces on the website by looking at historical and average growth, and SEC documents. Yield Street offers access to a wide range of private equity investments as well as a variety of other types of alternative investments. 3. Sell designs or art online. Are you a photographer or love to draw? Consider setting up a website or on online marketplaces like Etsy where you can sell digital downloads of your artwork or photos. Platforms like Squarespace use Time10 promo code and get 10% off. Make it easy for anyone to create a professional-looking website without needing extensive technical skills. Once you set it up, you'll need to market your work to help sell more. If you're not sure how to facilitate the sale, platforms like Flippa can guide you through the process, including brokering the deal or helping with the legalities. Or, if you want to buy an existing business that's already profitable and fairly passive, you can find one through Flippa or similar platforms. 4. Investing in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit, CD. A certificate of deposit, CD, is basically a timed high-yield savings account. You put your money in for as little as 6 months and as long as 5 years. When you deposit money, the bank will offer a certain interest rate which will be deposited regularly into your CD account, usually monthly. CDs have become popular in recent months as CD interest rates have gone from years of essentially 0 to up to 5% today. An excellent option would be the no penalty, 11 months offered by CIT which can yield as much as 4.90%, $1,000 minimum opening deposit, terms apply. Keep in mind that 4.90% gain on an 11-month CD worth $10,000 is $490. 5. Dividend stocks. If you purchase a dividend-yielding stock, you'll receive regular payments from the company. In most cases, companies will pay out dividends quarterly, and the more shares you own, the more dividends you'll receive. For those who don't want to pick individual stocks, you can consider dividend-yielding ETFs and mutual funds. It's worth noting that even high-yield stocks require a significant investment in order to produce enough income to live on. For example, the drug company Advai is considered a dividend aristocrat that has paid a steady dividend its whole life. It only pays around $5 per share per year in dividends. To make $40,000 per year with Advai stock, you will need to own 8,000 shares, which is worth $1,272,000 as of March 29, 2023. Online brokerage platforms like JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing can provide a user-friendly interface for buying and selling stocks, ETFs, and other investment options. It may be helpful to consult with a financial advisor to develop a well-rounded investment strategy that meets your financial goals and risk tolerance. Smart Advisor by Smart Asset is one example of a financial advisor service that can connect you with qualified financial advisors in your area to provide personalized investment advice and guidance. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing happens when you share and recommend products to others and earn a commission each time someone purchases the product. Popular ways people share their affiliate links include social media, their website, and email newsletters. You may not need to invest a lot of money for this passive income stream, but it could take a lot of time and effort to get it started. People with fewer than 1,000 followers have a harder time convincing affiliates to add them as partners, and you make the most money when you have 50,000 followers or more. The influencer marketing blog Hype Auditor surveyed self-described influencers and found that micro-influencers, 1,000 to 10,000 followers, earned on average $1,420 per month, and mega-influencers with over 1 million earned an average of $15,356 per month. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. This type of personal loan is where you, as a peer, lend money to borrowers. You'll earn income in the form of interest paid back. To help reduce risk of borrower default, you can spread out the money you invest or lend to others. 8. Real estate investment trusts. REITs. You can get a less stressful, if less lucrative return on real estate investments with a real estate investment trust, REIT, which is a fund that invests in real estate and pays you a handsome dividend. REITs don't require you to purchase and manage your own property. Instead, you buy shares in companies that own commercial real estate such as apartment complexes, hotels, and office spaces. In return, you'll receive regular dividends. But like the dividend stocks mentioned above, you may have to make a considerable down payment to get enough return to live off of. 9. Rent out parking space. If you have a parking spot or space to park a car on your property that you're not using, you can cash in by renting it out to others. Some may want to park their car when commuting to and from work, or for the longer term, like if they're traveling. If you have the means, you can even consider renting out a space for others to park large vehicles such as RVs or boats. 10. Rent out a room in your home instead of purchasing and renting out a whole home. You can start small in real estate investing by renting out a room in your home. It could be for a short-term rental, like Airbnb, several months, or even as a space for someone to store their items. Yes, it takes a bit of work initially to be able to get regular passive income, but the effort can be worthwhile. When deciding on which passive income stream you want to pursue, think about how much time and money you can put into it right now. As you continue to grow your income, you may want to seek the help of a financial advisor to help you further manage your money.